Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I brought such as an essential topic for you people, that is all about N. What is N and where we can use N? So let's begin. N is a preposition which is used with room. Once more. N is a preposition which is used with room. For example, he is in the class. He is in the class. N is also used when something is inside another thing. N is also used when something is inside another thing. For example, the book is in the shelf. The book is in the shelf. N is also used with place name. N is also used with place name. For example, he lives in Lahore. He lives in Lahore. N is also used with month name. N is also used with month name. For example, she was born in July. She was born in July. N is also used with year name. N is also used with year name. For example, she lives in Peshawar in 2005. She lives in Peshawar in 2005. Another rule, usage of N. N is also used with season name. N is also used with season name. The weather is hot in summer. The weather is hot in summer. Note: when you give full date, then use on. Once more, when you give full date, then use on. Whenever you show on to someone full date of birth, you can use on. For example, I was born on July 15, 2012. So guys, this is our today lesson. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.